And now to the struggles to get the potentially life-saving COVID-19 vaccine. Those who need it most, like seniors, are finding the system particularly tough to navigate. ABC's Karen Travers takes a closer look.
For years, the hottest ticket in the U.S. was the Broadway smash hit Hamilton. That theater now closed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. But now there's a similar frenzy to score another hot ticket, a COVID-19 vaccine appointment.
Called the 211 number and was on hold for an hour and a half.
Everyone said, even if you called me at 3 o'clock in the morning, I'll be there in my pajamas.
I tried 40 times. And I finally got an appointment.
There's no one-stop shop for Americans to sign up for a vaccine appointment. The Trump administration left it up to states to determine who gets vaccinated first and how people signed up for shots. So every state manages its own system. Within states, counties are running vaccine sites.
I worked hard to try to get this appointment.
In some places, you can get a jab at a pharmacy, a convention center, even a baseball stadium. So Americans are signing up at multiple sites, hedging their bets and hoping something works out.
We registered him in a couple of places, but we have not been lucky to get the vaccine until now.
The vaccine system is not tailored to those most in need: senior citizens, low-income Americans, people of color. Tiffany Nicole Johnson serves on her neighborhood council in Washington, D.C. She's spending hours helping her elderly neighbors navigate the city's vaccine sign-up.
They call the telephone number is not working, they don't know how to use the internet system. We're dealing with some individuals who might not even have a cell phone.
Johnson has stocked the free library on her lawn with flyers about how to get a vaccine.
This information is for our UMC, how they can schedule an appointment.
She's also going door to door and volunteering to do the legwork herself.
So I'm literally typing on 2 computers simultaneously to try and get them.
John Nesbitt set up a command station in his Florida home.
So every morning I would get into my office about 5:30 in the morning, turn on all my computers. I have 3 computers working, and just wait. And I said to a friend, it's like going into the ocean with a small hook with no bait, fishing. And it just became ridiculous.
After weeks of frustration and striking out, John, age 72 and asthmatic, enlisted reinforcements, getting his son in California and his daughter in Washington, D.C. online with him.
So we had 5 computers now looking for vaccines for my wife and myself.
Nesbitt says now that he's figured out how to navigate the process and has one of his doses, he's helping others.
One guy I know doesn't even have a computer. He has a flip phone, so how's he ever going to do anything?
Dennis Ryan of Chicago tells us he's also using a buddy system.
I had a couple of friends who said, well, call this place, call that place. And I did, and I didn't have any success. And then when I told somebody I got one, they said, well, what do you do?
Dennis also had help from his daughter Deirdre, a teacher in Chicago who spent hours trying to set up appointments for her parents.
First to sign up, and when I put my zip code in on the 24th, they said that I wasn't eligible because I had a city zip code and they were only taking the suburban ones.
There's a Reddit thread somewhere where there was a link and I tried the Reddit thread and that one didn't work. And then I got another text message from a friend about Loyola hospitals having some available, and she was able to get one.
Many younger Americans are putting their tech skills to good use, trying to set up appointments for parents, grandparents, and friends struggling to navigate this patchwork system.
I've got my cousin text thread of trying to get it for all of our parents has just been crazy. And we have all of that, going back and forth and saying, try this, try this, try this.
Olivia Adams is a software developer, and she watched her mother-in-law grow frustrated trying to sign up for a vaccine in Massachusetts.
So I thought, is there a way I could put my software skills to use to make that? And so I worked on my website.
Adams says she's trying to fill a void in Massachusetts and provide an easy, clear way to see where vaccines are available.
They just list all of the places that are giving vaccines and a website or contact email or phone number for them. And all of the websites and sign-up experiences are different.
Olivia Adams is on maternity leave. I asked her, why is she the person figuring this out, juggling an infant and a toddler?
Obviously, I shouldn't be the one that's writing this website. It should have been done already.
I asked the White House what the federal government is doing to address these issues.
Why can't there be a better system so it's easier to just sign up and wait for your turn?
We agree with you completely. That is completely confusing, has been around the country in states and localities. But our focus is very much on increasing communication, ensuring, exactly as you said, that the American people know how, when they can get their vaccine. And we fully agree. There's been a lack of communication, confusion, and we are trying to work out of that hole.
Public health experts say more needs to be done to make sure the people who need to get the vaccine first are actually getting it.
Simplifying it for those folks, that can't get to a computer or use a computer to make an appointment, they have another pathway. For those that are homebound, we're able to work with home health agencies to come to your house.
Tiffany Nicole Johnson worries that without assistance, some of her neighbors just won't get their shots.
But it should not be an issue where those who have the know-how get the vaccination and those who don't have the know-how or the supports can't. That's not equitable.
Karen Travers, ABC News, Washington.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.